In this video, I want to show you how to find IP address in Windows 10. So to do that, come to this Start and right click. Click on Settings. Then come to Network and Internet. Click on it. Then come to Wi-Fi. So you can see the internet I'm connected to. So I'm connected to Infinix Smart 5. So to check the IP address, click on the internet you are connected to. Then scroll down to the bottom. So here you can see the IP address. This is the IPv4 address. You can see the address here. So this is how to find IP address in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.